Why we overthink at night and how to quiet your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. I'm really glad you're here. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that during the day, your brain is mostly fine, but the moment your head hits the pillow, boom! Suddenly, your mind turns into a courtroom, a movie theater, and a time machine all at once. You replay conversations, you think about things you should have said, things you should have done, things that haven't even happened yet, and somehow everything feels heavier at night. Today, we're talking about why we overthink at night, why it feels impossible to shut our brain off, and a few simple ways to calm your mind without forcing it to be silent. So if you're listening to this late at night, or if you're someone whose thoughts get louder when the world gets quieter, this episode is for you. Why overthinking hits hard at night. Here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't overthink more at night. You just have less distractions. During the day, your brain is busy. Messages, work, school, noise, movement. Your thoughts don't disappear, they just get buried. But at night, no notifications, no responsibilities, no noise. So your brain finally says, okay, my turn. And it brings up everything it didn't get to process earlier. That awkward moment, that mistake, that uncertainty about the future. It's not because something is wrong with you. It's because your brain is doing what it's designed to do, process. The problem is, it doesn't know when to stop. The real reason your thoughts feel so loud. At night, your brain switches into what I like to call reflection mode. You're tired, your defenses are down, your emotions are closer to the surface. That's why small problems feel huge. Old memories suddenly hurt again. The future feels overwhelming. Your brain isn't being logical, it's being emotional. And when you're exhausted, emotions get the microphone. That's also why your problems feel clear at night, but less serious in the morning. Same thoughts, different energy. Why trying to stop thinking makes it worse? Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They tell themselves, stop thinking, just sleep. But the brain doesn't work like that. If I tell you right now, don't think about a pink elephant. You just thought about one. The more you fight your thoughts, the louder they get. Overthinking isn't a volume problem, it's a resistance problem. Your mind isn't asking to be silenced, it's asking to be acknowledged. A simple way to calm your mind. Instead of trying to shut your thoughts off, try this. Name them. Literally say in your head, this is worry, this is regret, this is fear, this is imagination. When you label a thought, you create distance from it. You stop being inside the thought and start observing it. You're no longer the storm, you're watching the storm pass. And surprisingly, that alone can quiet your mind. The tomorrow rule. Here's another rule that changed everything for me. If a problem shows up after 10 p.m., it automatically gets postponed until tomorrow. Why? Because your tired brain is not a reliable narrator. Decisions made at night are usually fueled by fear, not clarity. So when a thought comes up, say, this matters, but not right now. You're not ignoring it, you're respecting your mental health. You are not your thoughts. This is important, so listen closely. Thoughts are not facts. Just because your mind says you're behind in life, you messed everything up, you are not enough, doesn't make it true. Your brain is a storyteller, not a judge. And at night, it loves dramatic stories. You don't have to believe every thought just because it sounds convincing. Closing message. If you're listening to this late at night, take a breath. You're not failing, you're not broken, you're just human. Your mind is loud because it cares. Your thoughts are heavy because you've been carrying a lot. And you don't have to solve your entire life tonight. Let tomorrow handle tomorrow. For now, rest. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you in the next episode. End of episode.